The chevrons. You follow the chevrons.
Although it's not where the map marks it.
I still don't see the trail.
There's no trail. There isn't a trail, it's a route. We're actually going to end up going back over to the Sea Canyon Trail, but you can see we're right on it, see? And how we're going to catch up with it. We're going to meet it up here.
And then it crosses.
It crosses over to Sea Canyon.
Well, it doesn't cross, it bumps.
Bumps, okay. Here, you look at
It
it.
bumps the...
Trust your judgment, obviously. But.
And then it comes back on the north side.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah. I don't recall Bruce mentioning all this deadfall in his trip report.
He's following the ribbons.
Ribbons and chevrons. We've kind of, it's a bit of a challenge, but we're on the trail technically. This is it. Wherever you see those pink ribbons and everywhere you see the chevrons, this is the old General Crook Trail. This is, they actually took wagons on this trail. You can kind of see, like through there, right? There's a little bit of a wider clearing.
Yeah.
That's where they drove wagons and...
And it's 4 miles.
Well, it's actually, the whole trail is 60 miles.
Yeah, but the
this
section we're doing
is a 4 in and a 4 back.
Okay.
Are we going down to some water?
I think so.
Not that I know of, unless you guys want to hike down into Woods Canyon Lake.
Oh.
I think we end up at the lake.
Oh, we end up at the Rim Vista, which is onto the turn into the lake.
Ribbon alert. Oh, here's one right there. Get a bit spread out. And here's the chevron. So we get on something that resembles a trail. Let's try and keep the group a little tighter.
We're at 77.
Love your neighbors, getting to know them, and they're gone. And my neighbors, 3 houses near me are. Oh, they have been for a decade. Yeah, we're in that historic area. I just love the houses. People move into their homes.
Maybe I won't go. Look, there's the road. We're on the road.
You won't go across it. We go across it.
Should we go across it?
Yeah. Because you have to remember, this road wasn't here back when the General Crook Trail was, right?
We probably could have caught it up here.
Oh yeah, we could have, but who wants to do that though?
Because we went by it.
Yeah, I know, but we want to stay on, you know, who wants to road walk when you can walk in the woods? Yeah.
Angela, do we need to go over that?
Jumping. Yeah.
Take me to do that. Bungee, I don't know.
By a bear. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Bear bait. Oh, that's what I call myself because I'm always the slowest hiker. So I say, just call me bear bait. Yeah. And I go, here, bear. Here, bear. Here I am.
They grab you and throw you.
No. No, you're wearing pink. We're not.
bears. I chased one to get a picture. My husband's
Okay, this is
And then really, it was just after that, like, nobody had money to make. And if you really did,
Yep, point to the V. There you go. That says V63. Thank you.
very nice.
You could sing it to us. No. Not till we get back to camp.
It's not just about leg workout. It's lungs. Downtown.
Oh, look at this big fern field coming up, you guys. It's really tall ferns. Look at that, huh?
Love trees.
taken by Angela 500,000 times.
And
That wasn't like, I was just like,
just like they come up to Ambika and say, I saw you in a video. You're Ambika.
Oh, did I tell you that happened on my gems hike?
Yes, I think somebody wrote it in the trip report.
Yep. I have to check out your video.
So,
I was hiking.
this is totally cool.
Oh. No, it wasn't the gems, it was the Matazal.
Oh, okay.
And it was the Matazal was a dog, a black dog,
Oh, okay.
no tail.
No, you didn't tell me
And I
that.
was like, yeah, she's like, oh, yeah, I saw that video. I know you.
Oh my God. Yeah, actually, that's one of my more popular videos, to be quite honest with you.
so where do I go to see your videos?
I'll post a video for this online, and that'll take you there.
Awesome.
So, they're mostly hiking videos. So,
That's all I
Big one. Did they stock it?
Yeah. But we were catching this big.
Wow. Really big one. Right? Sunrise is on the rise.
No,
It's GPS and basically using the phones with GPS to route. Do you have iPhone or other? I have an Android. Yeah, it's called Pass Tracks.
no, it's called Route Scout now.
Oh, Route Scout. Route Scout. But it's done through hikearizona.com.
Oh, yeah.
And so you can download routes straight from Hike Arizona onto
Or
it.
Google Play.
Or Google Play.
Or I think it's on the iTunes too. If you're an Apple person.
iPhone. Yeah, I know your iPhone. Yeah. I do need to get a new phone though because my battery is starting to not last very well. And so I'm looking at the new Samsung 7, I guess it is.
I think Wayne just got that one.
It's waterproof. My mom did that, but you got to see that.
while, huh?
Even with my volunteer groups, it's usually long.
Yes. But he wrote me a 5-page letter that I read that letter and I'm like going, whoa.
Coming to work early. A lot of people, can't come to work.